Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about car hybrid technology. So let's see its introduction. A hybrid electric vehicle augments an electric vehicle with a second source of power referred to as the alternative power unit. A hybrid can achieve the cruising range and performance advantages of conventional vehicles with the low noise, low exhaust emissions, and energy independence benefits of electric vehicles. So, what is a hybrid? The dictionary defines a hybrid as something of mixed origin. A hybrid is a vehicle that is propelled by two power sources, internal combustion and engine, electric motor powered by batteries. How do hybrid cars work? A hybrid car is a passenger vehicle that is driven by a hybrid engine, which is an engine that combines two or more sources of power, generally gasoline and electricity. There are two types of gasoline electricity hybrids, like parallel hybrid and series hybrid. How parallel hybrid cars work? Gasoline engine and electric motor work together to move the car forward. How series hybrid cars work? Gasoline engine either directly powers an electric motor that powers the vehicle for charges batteries that will power the battery. For levels of hybrid vehicles, full hybrid. The next level we should see is medium hybrid. The next level is mild hybrid. So basic components are power plant, IC, electric motor, generator, battery, transmission, inverter, etc. How hybrid cars works? This they works at gasoline engine, fuel tank, electric motor, generator, batteries, transmission. So that's all for today about hybrid cars. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.